Today, I'll show you how to manage overdue invoices in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find overdue invoices, how to identify them quickly, and how to send clear, professional reminders to your customers, all without leaving Xero. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Xero website. Sign into your Xero account as you normally would. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, you're ready to move into the sales area where all your customer invoices live. Next, look for the main navigation menu at the top of the screen and click on the option labeled Sales. This is where Xero groups together everything related to money coming into your business from customers. When you're managing overdue invoices, this is the section you'll be working from most of the time. After you've clicked Sales, you'll see several options. Choose Invoices. This will open a list of all your sales invoices, including those that are paid, awaiting payment, or in draft. Think of this page as your command center for tracking what your customers owe you. Now, to focus specifically on overdue items, click on the tab or filter called Awaiting Payment. This view shows invoices that have been sent to customers but haven't been fully paid yet. It's the best place to see what's outstanding and which invoices might need a nudge. On this awaiting payment screen, Xero makes it easy to spot overdue invoices. You'll see the due date and an overdue by indicator highlighted in red for any invoice that has passed its due date. These red labels are your visual warning signs that an invoice needs attention. Take a moment to scan this list and get a sense of which customers are behind and by how many days. If you want to follow up with several customers at once, you can select all the overdue invoices. Use the checkboxes next to each overdue invoice to select them. You can choose a few, or if you're catching up on a backlog, select them all. This bulk selection will let you send reminder emails in one go, which can save a lot of time. Once you've selected the invoices you want to follow up on, look for the email option and click it. This opens up an email window inside Xero, so you don't have to copy invoice details into a separate email program. In the email window, add the customer email addresses if they're not already filled in. Often Xero will pull in the primary contact email automatically, but it's worth double checking that the addresses are correct and up to date before you send anything. Next, choose an email template. Xero usually provides standard templates for invoice reminders, which you can use as a starting point. Selecting a template helps ensure your message includes key information like invoice numbers, due dates, and amounts owed. After selecting the template, enter a clear subject line. Something simple and professional works best, such as invoice reminder or overdue invoice notice. A good subject line helps the customer immediately understand what the email is about. You can then edit the message body if needed. This is your chance to adjust the tone, add a friendly note, or include any specific details like a new payment date you've agreed on or a reminder of your payment methods. Before sending, enable any checkboxes that apply, such as attaching a copy of the invoice or including a link for online payment. These options make it easier for your customer to act on the reminder quickly. Finally, once you're happy with everything, click Send. Xero will email your selected customers their overdue invoice reminders, helping you stay on top of your cash flow with minimal effort.